Even the best PLC code looks boring until you add some blinking lamps on the screen. In today's lesson, we'll go beyond the PLC program itself and look at visualization. Codesys has a built-in visualization system that can be displayed in any web browser or directly on HMI panel. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series. Let's get started. Open the Codesys project template I left you down below the video. Open the project and follow instructions I show you in this video. How to add a visualization in Codesys. Go to a project tree, right mouse click on application, choose add object and click on visualization manager. Click on add. In this view, you can choose a visualization manager. I will choose basic style. Go back to the project tree, right mouse click on application, choose add object and click on visualization. Click on add, and on this view you can build a simple visualization from ready-made elements. On the right side you will find a visualization toolbox. Click on it. In this tab you'll find a lot of ready-made elements embedded in Codesys. Just click on lamp switches bitmaps and here you'll find lamps and switches. Now drag and drop a push switch to a visualization view. Let's add the next push switch and you can place switches right next to each other, and in Codesys you can easily set a position for each element. Once again, go back to a visualization toolbox and drag and drop the lamp. You can set the position for a lamp, and in the bottom you can zoom in the view. By the way, if you'd like to learn Codesys step by step, starting from the very basics PLC programs and moving all the way to advanced industrial projects, make sure to check out our complete Codesys course on the Control Byte platform down below the video. If you click on the first button, you are in the Properties tab, and here you can add a variable from program. So go to a variable field, just click on three dots, go to application, go to PLC PRG and choose a start button, X start button. Okay, let's go to the next button, go to variable tab, three dots and choose X stop button. Go to the lamp and here of course we'll choose X motor on off variable. Let's click on the first button and you can change the background of the button. Right now and this is the gray background, but you can choose, for example, green for the start button, and for the stop we will choose the red background. Let's go to the lamp and let's change the background of the image to green. Go to online tab and log into the PLC. Download the program to the PLC memory. Let's start the PLC program and you can test the visualization. Let's press the start button and the lamp is on. This is a bistable button. In PLC programming, a bistable button refers to a control element that has two stable states, on and off. Okay, now the lamp is on, the motor is on, and when we press the stop button, the lamp is off. Go to online tab, let's log out from the simulator, click on the start button and go to element behavior field and here change to image tapper. It is a monostable button. It means it has only one stable state. On my PLC trainer I have two monostable buttons, the start button and the stop button. So let's go back to my visualization and choose the image tapper behavior for the stop button. Now let's log into our simulator. One single click on the start button and the lamp is on. One single click on the stop button and the lamp is off. Congrats, that's all for this lesson. You'll find a ready-made project down below the video. You can download it and see what we have inside. Now you know what is the difference between bistable button and monostable button in our Codesys visualization. Let's go to the next lesson. That's it for this lesson on creating a simple visualization in Codesys. Don't forget, visualization makes your PLC programs much easier to monitor and control, especially when combined with an HMI panel. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and leave a comment if you are ready to dive deeper. The full Codesys course is waiting for you at Contribite. Remember, even the best PLC code looks boring until you add some blinking lamps on the screen. See you in the next video.